What's up, guys? This is Nate with Tea in the Trees. We're out in the woodland today, walking the dogs, having a good time. Collected some geological samples, rocks and quartz and such. Hope you enjoyed the video. Since moving to Pennsylvania, I've kind of become obsessed with rocks and minerals and crystals. Oh, this is a cool piece. So, going around collecting things like this. So that's what we're out here doing today. Have us a nice brew, local beer, and we're going to find us some rocks. Hope you enjoy. That's an interesting rock. Here's a smaller one. We'll take that with us. Nice fractured piece. Oh my gosh. Look at this piece over here. A little bit of rose quartz in there. This is beautiful. Take this piece home, throw it in the tumbler and get it nice and clean. Yes, went out and bought a rock tumbler. The wire brushes weren't really doing the job. Oh, another piece. Is that? Oh yeah, nice round, unfractured piece of quartz. So the tumbler was purchased because using wire brushes and soap is not doing the job. Oh my gosh. A blend of red sandstone and quartz, multiple types of quartz. This is an excellent piece. So yeah, gotten really into, started really getting into geology, rocks and stuff. I'm actually on the search for the perfect piece of flint. I'll have to go further south to southeastern Pennsylvania to find what I'm looking for, but look at that. Look at that. I was probably close to the coal layer, so it gives it that black tint, grayish black tint. A lot of carbon in it. Oh, wish we could get that. Look at that big old piece. Anyways, here's where this brings us. There's an interesting rock. Way too large to carry home, but interesting nonetheless. I thought that stuff was asphalt when I first got here. It's not. A lot of pink in this one. I don't know if y'all can see it, but a lot of pink in this piece. Definitely going to take that home and polish it. So, we're just out for a day hike to just enjoy the day, have a brew, and learn more about geology. I'm studying rocks, and I've been studying geological survey maps about my area, and I found that white quartz, rose quartz, coal, obviously, granite, red sandstone, white and tan sandstone are what is in abundance. Flint and a few other types of minerals can be had further southeast. So I'm going to make a journey there once I settle on a land tract to search. I'll journey there, and we'll find some flint. I don't want to purchase flint. I want to actually find it and nap it and get the tools and different things that I need from it. So yeah, we've gotten quite a few interesting specimens. Here's some sandstone with a couple of types of quartz in it. Here's a nice big hunk of quartz. Here's another piece, red sandstone with quartz, and there's some rose quartz with white quartz on it. A little known fact: quartz, if you fracture it right, can be used for flint and steel. I've actually used it. A lot of this quartz isn't robust, and the hardness isn't high enough for it to actually be a long-term solution, but it's a short-term solution in survival. That is good to know. We're out here in a public woodland right now. I'm going to enjoy this beer, and then we'll probably go a little further up the trail and look for some other things, and then we'll head back to the house. No. No. We're hearing some kind of fighting in the distance in the woods. I think we're going to move on, get back to the main trail, look around a little bit. Alright, I don't want to be up here. I don't have a firearm on me. I'm waiting on my permit for Pennsylvania to come back. We just got it taken care of today. All I have is my survival knife and a tomahawk, and while both those are excellent tools for survival and defense, I'm not willing to chance it. So some aggressive people are out here, and I need to get back. Go ahead. I'll do the snap on my fighting knife. It was a good probably 200 yards that way. I don't know what's going on down there. I'm not trying to find out. It's time to head away from that. I don't know if we picked up anything, audio or visually, but a cool setting. We're gonna keep our eyes peeled. I'm gonna turn off the camera. I'm about to go through a field. I don't want to have all my wits about me and not be focusing on the camera. So we'll come back when I get. We're back close to the road again. The car's that way. We're walking a little bit away from the car. There's about a half mile to 3/4 of a mile distance between us and that situation that occurred. I'm not going to call it quits just yet. I don't think that they saw me or heard me or anything. So we'll keep looking for geological samples, different types of rocks and such, and hopefully everything will go okay. Oh yeah, that's what Daddy likes. That's going to be a beautiful sample once we clean it, throw it through the tumbler. In a way, I'm kind of fortunate. The surface mining of coal has revealed a lot of really interesting minerals and peculiar gems that normally wouldn't be close to the surface. Right here, got a little bit of red sandstone that tends to occur deeper than on the surface. We'll keep that. We don't have any red sandstone pieces at the house. There's an interesting piece, sandstone. It's a blending of a lot of different types. So we're gonna climb down here into this little gorge down there. So we're gonna climb down there so the dogs can get a drink. I can sit down, relax after our encounter, as it were. Beautiful rock. Beautiful land pig. Hello, land pig. Bush pig. So, okay. What pig?